Acquisitions news. Walgreens Boots Alliance accelerates full acquisition of CareCentrix. Hospitality Ventures Management Group, HVMG, names Samir Nair Senior Vice President of Acquisitions and Development. SP Plus Corporation acquires KMP Associates Limited, including its global e-commerce platform AeroParker. Forge Rock stock rockets after Thoma Bravo buyout deal at 53% premium. Simon Property Group to buy 50% stake in Jamestown. One Equity Partners to acquire AMI plc, a leading UK-based engineering consultancy and infrastructure services provider. Forge Rock to be acquired by Thoma Bravo for $2.3 billion. Infinium to acquire Entegris's pipeline and industrial materials business as part of its transformational growth strategy. Sherwin-Williams to acquire Italian wood coatings company Industria Chimica Adriatica S.p.A. NOG announces additional core Northern Delaware Basin bolt-on acquisition. California Waters, CWT, arm gets nod to acquire Stroh's Water. FlexJet, a global leader in subscription-based private aviation, to become a public company via business combination with Horizon Acquisition Corporation 2. Perficient announces acquisition of Amix Technologies. Delta Air invests $60 million, takes stake in air taxi startup Joby Aviation. RadNet's joint venture, New Jersey Imaging Network, acquires the imaging operations of Montclair Radiology, expanding its presence in New Jersey. ReneSola Power announces acquisition of Emeren. Avenue Point completes acquisition of Essential Company Limited to advance market reach in South Korea. Bullish news. AMFA commends House passage of Global Aircraft Maintenance Safety Improvement Act. Tyler Technologies extends contract for digital government and payment solutions in the state of Kansas. Vori Health and TeleMed 2U announce strategic relationship to advance holistic care in bone health and orthopedic medicine. Hydrogen generation market is projected to reach $241.74 billion in 2028. Joby Aviation shares quickly gain altitude on Delta investment. Acutar Biotechnology announces first patient dosed in China with AC0682 in Phase 1 study in positive breast cancer. OMNIVISION announces 2K square resolution CMOS image sensor for security wide field of view and AR, VR, MR pass-through cameras. Traceable named leader in new GigaOM radar report on API security. With inflation still high, learn how to bargain shop name brands and new items like a Pro. Wyndham's Meetings collection goes global, grows to over 160 hotels and resorts. Perimeter Solutions introduces Solberg Rehealing Fluorine-Free 3x3 SP100 foam concentrate. DGTL Holdings Inc. signs global leader in technology, media and entertainment. Hearing Life and Alzheimer's Association announce partnership to fight against dementia. New Cortec Insight report shows a $25 million speed to market advantage for insurance carriers. March of Dimes releases third maternity care deserts report revealing access to care is getting worse during COVID-19. Jacmel Growth Partners announces investment in Virtual Technologies Group. Plain ID joins Identity-Defined Security Alliance. WalkMe announces speaker lineup for the world's largest digital adoption DAP Professionals event. Elevate. Office Depot provides nearly $4 million in tech furniture, supplies and more to Title I schools nationwide. SAY aligns asset management businesses to accelerate growth. Tenable announces new research alliance program for vulnerability intelligence sharing. Netgear selects LightPoint to ensure performance of next-generation Wi-Fi 7 products. Honeywell Technology provides Tractor Supply with industry-leading end-to-end team member and customer experiences. ReadyWorks partners with Unisys on digital workplace and cloud applications and infrastructure solutions. Verisk creates the Insurance industry's first geolocation solution for commercial and residential risk assessment. Wish and Eversea join forces in fight against counterfeits. ZimVie expands navigation-compatible platform to include posterior cervical application. Rittertech opens new Parker store location in Bolingbrook, Illinois. Learning Pool introduces global AI-based skills solution. Nuna Baby announces alliance with San Diego Padres. Chemours announces joint venture agreement with BWT to enable the capacity and innovation required by the transportation fuel cell market. Ameresco and Bright Canyon Energy host groundbreaking ceremony for Cupono Solar at Joint Base Pearl Harbor Hickam. Gigaman delivers pivotal advancements across deep observability pipeline with Giga VUE 6.0 release. New luxury home decor box collection pays tribute to iconic musicians. NFP announces 3-year partnership with the St. James. Becomes gold sponsor of the St. James Corporate Games. Coinbase Inc.'s services deal with Google Cloud, shares rise. Indigenized Energy Initiative founder and CEO Kerry Smith selected as a 2022 MIT Solve Indigenous Communities Fellow. Christiana Care spins out first commercial gene editing biotechnology startup company. Cori XR Therapeutics. Chi in Texas A&M University's Mays Business School extend collaboration. Heritage Cannabis begins operations in West Virginia through relationship with Harvest Care Medical. LLC. CFA Level 2 pass rate slips to 40% as COVID-19 continues to disrupt some tests. iCare Partners expands footprint in Northern Ohio with 3 additional practices. Breakthrough heating system that generates free electricity debuts in New Simsbury. CT apartment building. New Momentum magnetic particle imaging scanner has been installed in Los Angeles County. Jason Richards joins Cardata as VP Customer Enablement. Concentrix honored as Qwik's Partner of the Year. Max out your PC gaming audio with ROCC AT's Syn Max Air. The ultimate wireless 3D audio headset is now available. Ataris awarded $1 million extension for continued support of Florida Department of Transportation. Initiative for Regional Smart Mobility, Safety and Sustainability. HCA Healthcare announces $1.5 million donation to Fisk University. Valmont Industries selects Informatica for cloud data governance. Blackboard OK's poison pill after Clearlake discloses talks over strategic alternatives. Interventional Radiology Global Market Report 2022. Increase in the utilization of augmented reality technology presents opportunities. Astrom Group extends its renewable energy operations in Europe. Astrom Renewable Energy will establish projects of 476 megawatts capacity in Greece at an overall investment of up to €380 million. Ultimus completes cloud strategy with transfer agent migration to Azure. Google partners with Coinbase to accept crypto payments for cloud services. Real Star Hospitality receives Hotelier Magazine's Pinnacle Award for 2022 Hotel Company of the Year. GasBuddy announces Loyalty Connect, connecting fuel loyalty programs in a single app experience. Kensington expands portfolio of high-performance docking solutions. Adaptive announces partnership with Epic to increase access to minimal residual disease. MRD monitoring in blood cancers. Accenture and Google Cloud expand partnership to accelerate value from technology, data, and AI. Rite Aid and Google Cloud partner to modernize pharmacy operations and enhance the online customer experience. Institutional investors own a significant stake of 39% in CareMax, Inc. Nasdaq, CMAX. A Wells Fargo & Company, NYSE, WFC, insider lowered their holding by 51% earlier this year. Adtran's end-to-end fiber broadband solution empowers Volt Broadband to connect rural Louisiana. Alpha and Omega Semiconductor announces new high SOA MOSFET optimized for 12 volts hot swap applications. Haveli Investments and Apollo form strategic partnership to capitalize on significant opportunities across enterprise software and gaming sectors. Blackboard adopts limited duration stockholder rights plan. Fluence Ecosystem supplies 908 megawatt-hours battery-based energy storage complex in California. Zebra signs binding agreement to purchase 3,000 Canoo electric vehicles. Hanesbrands teams up with the University of California, Berkeley, as primary apparel partner. MAG Aerospace and L3Harris partner to advance airborne ISR mission needs for U.S. Army. ProCaps announces ESG commitments and initiatives with inaugural report. Sunrun activates nation's first residential virtual power plant in wholesale market. Axiom signs agreement with Shell to demonstrate fuel cell technology's ability to decarbonize shipping industry. The Oncology Institute announces new leaders to oversee technology and clinical trials. Vertex advances program targeting alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. Viasat-3 satellite completes mechanical environmental testing. AES dedicates 227 megawatts, 908 megawatt-hours of energy storage projects in Southern California. Jamestown and Simon announce strategic partnership. Wayfair selects Google Cloud in shift from hybrid cloud to unified public cloud strategy. T-Mobile teams up with Google Cloud to transform customer experiences. Africa's Tharisa sees strong Chrome demand from China despite COVID curbs. Virtual Queue selects Juniper Networks to provide scalable, automated data center infrastructure. XPENG X2 completes first global public flight in Dubai. Tesla deliveries from China plant set record but trail views. Black Hills, BKH, unit gets rate hike approval in Arkansas. Federal Realty announces setting of science-based GHG reduction targets. Consumer payments continued to increase in September. Finds Bank of America data. Yet evidence of a housing market slowdown emerges. Possible bearish signals as Philip Morris International Inc. NYSE. PM. Insiders disposed of $17 million worth of stock. AerCap leased, purchased and sold 255 assets in the third quarter 2022. AstraZeneca looks to cancer, RSV drugs for growth as COVID vaccine demand wanes. Broadridge teams with MX to power data aggregation and financial wellness solution. DFIN introduces innovative SEC filing interactive e-calendar. DICE Therapeutics announces positive top-line data from Phase 1 clinical trial of lead oral IL-17 antagonist, DC-806, for psoriasis. Ginkgo Bioworks announces collaboration with Merck to improve active pharmaceutical ingredient manufacturing. EVGO and Warner Bros. Pictures join forces to invite EV drivers to see the electrifying power of Black Adam. Garmin G5000 integrated flight deck to receive ASA approval for Cessna Citation XL and Citation XLS aircraft. LyondellBasell forms joint venture to build plastic waste sorting and recycling facility and plans to build advanced recycling plant. Mercury enables Airbus A330 MRTT to become world's first tanker certified for automatic air-to-air refueling operations. One Water Marine Inc. signs definitive agreement to acquire Harbor View Marine. RTX Ventures invests in H55 to advance electric propulsion technologies for clean and efficient air mobility applications. Syneos Health expands partnership with Datavant to accelerate delivery of new therapies to patients. Bio-Techne introduces new Simple Plex AAV viral titer assays. Ryder CMO Karen Jones receives Women in Supply Chain Award from Supply and Demand Chain Executive. Endeavour Silver produces 1,458,448 ounces silver, and 9,194 ounces gold for 2.2 million Oz silver equivalent in Q3 2022. Homebuilder Taylor Morrison starts 130-unit townhome project at Farmington in Harrisburg. Invitation Homes provides preliminary assessment of Hurricane Ian impact. Dentrix Ascends selected for use as the exclusive practice management system of Smile Brands. BJ's Wholesale Club completes move to new corporate headquarters in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Walmart to compete with Walgreens, CVS in recruiting clinical trial subjects. Linde starts up new ASU to support Wanhua Chemical Group expansion. C-Spine stock soars after Orthofix merger deal at a near 38% premium. VEREINIGTEHAGEL. Germany's leading agricultural insurer selects Sapiens for complete P&C core transformation. Institutions own 34% of First Majestic Silver Corp. to CFR shares, but individual investors control 57% of the company. Johnson Controls offers emergency rebates on HVAC equipment for those affected by Hurricane Ian. Bitcoin's calm amid soaring bond market volatility points to hodler-dominated crypto market. Bitfarms celebrates 5-year anniversary and operations in 4 countries. See Safe and BioLife Solutions, Inc. announce partnership to expand supply chain solutions for the cell and gene therapy market. Centerra Gold announces TSX acceptance of normal course issuer bid. Joby Aviation announced a partnership with an $60 million investment from Delta Airlines. Clough Global Opportunities Fund declares monthly cash distributions for October, November and December 2022 of $0.0943 per share. Hekla announces Q3 2022 production and increases guidance. Delta, Joby Aviation partner to pioneer home-to-airport transportation to customers. Orthofix and C-Spine to combine in merger of equals to create leading global spine and orthopedics company. United Therapeutics announces first patient enrolled in Phase 3 TETON-2 study of Tyvaso in patients with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. Las Vegas leads in water conservation amid worst drought in 1,200 years. Archie Smart Engage wins Juniper Future Digital Awards for retail innovation. Corpay Cross Border announces new collaboration with Greenbackers Investment Capital. Credit Suisse's final holdout in Forex market rigging case going to trial. HPE accelerates ag digital transformation and business outcomes with cloud-ready and data-driven solution. CME Group International average daily volume reached 6.1 million contracts in Q3 2022, up 21% from Q3 2021. Bank of America expands its Cash Pro payment API capability to over 350 payment types. Pharming submits a marketing authorization application to the European Medicines Agency for leniolisib. Yulu Bikes invests in real-time customer support with Freshworks software. Coinbase gets Singapore digital payment token license. China's push for blue skies on Party Congress has Steel Hub curbing output. HSBC extends Chinese private banking network to lure new digital millionaires. Bethel Native Corporation, GCI partner to close digital divide in western Alaska. Crypto giant Coinbase gets Singapore license. HSBC looks to deals and disposals as part of battle against breakup. XPO Logistics names CFO ahead of planned spin-off of freight brokerage business. Black Hills Corp. Natural gas utility receives approval for new rates in Arkansas. Y40net stock outpaced the market on Monday. Bio-Rad Laboratories in talks to combine with Qiagen. Elevance Health's ELV low-cost MA plans to widen U.S. base. Bearish news. BlockFusion's crypto mine in Niagara Falls shut down due to zoning ordinances. IMF cuts 2023 global growth forecast, citing inflation, war and China slowdown. Oil edges lower as slowdown concerns eat into OPEC-driven gains. Transformation of work triggers U.S. shift to workday. Gold. Silver trade near one-week low as U.S. inflation data looms. Update 1 Consumer prices in Brazil down for the third month on lower fuel costs. Ruble hits multi-month low on Ukraine escalation fears. Update 1 Ruble hits multi-month low on Ukraine escalation fears. American Airlines stock leaps after lifting Q3 revenue forecast. Coinbase and others could be broken up under Watchdog's proposed crypto reforms. Nikola reminds Romeo Power stockholders to tender shares in exchange offer ahead of October 12 deadline. Uber exits 5 Pakistani cities, to continue services via Unit Careem. Nvidia stock slides, leading chipmakers lower, as Biden's China export curbs bite. Credit Suisse may face $8 billion capital shortfall in 2024. ExxonMobil is considering a big splash to enhance its low-carbon ambitions. Stocks extend slump. Bank of England intervenes again. Amazon. Rail strikes and Marvell in focus. 5 things to know. Chipmaker rout engulfs TSMC. Samsung with $240 billion wiped out. Brookfield. Digital Bridge Way bid for stake in Vodafone's Vantage unit. Ruble hits more than 3-month low on Ukraine escalation fears. Cathie Wood buys Adobe as stock tumbles after $20 billion deal. Musk's banks may have a way to cut losses from Twitter deal. Musk claims Twitter ordered whistleblower to destroy evidence. Nasal version of Oxford AstraZeneca COVID vaccine fails in trial. AstraZeneca's COVID vaccine suffers a setback in nasal spray trial. Oil prices mixed as markets weigh supply cuts, weakening demand. Why Applied Materials stock got mashed on Monday. Financing news. NOG announces proposed convertible senior notes offering. Ferguson plc announces transaction in own shares. Ares Management closes oversubscribed 10th value-add U.S. real estate fund at $1.8 billion. Intercontinental Hotels Group plc announces transaction in own shares. Tencent-backed Airwallex retains $5.5 billion value with funding. Earnings news. Xinex reports preliminary third quarter 2022 results. Cabot Corporation to announce fourth quarter 2022 operating results. Rush Enterprises, Inc. conference call advisory for third quarter 2022 earnings results. Tenable announces date for its third quarter 2022 earnings conference call. SITE Center's third quarter 2022 earnings conference call to be held on Tuesday, October 25, 2022, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Skechers to report third quarter 2022 financial results on Tuesday, October 25. Teladoc Health to announce third quarter 2022 financial results. ZoomInfo to report financial results for third quarter 2022 on November 1, 2022. AITX to host Investor and Technology Open House. VISLINK Technologies, Inc. announces date for fiscal year 2022 annual meeting. Model N announces date of fourth quarter and fiscal year 2022 financial results. HEIDRICK and struggles to release 2022 third quarter results. RT announces webcast for third quarter 2022 results. Navient to announce third quarter 2022 results on October 25, host earnings webcast on October 26. Akoya to report third quarter 2022 financial results on November 7, 2022. BOORITO returns to Chipotle restaurants for the first time since 2019. Union Pacific's NYSE, UNP, earnings growth rate lags the 14% CAGR delivered to shareholders. 3M NYSE sheds $2.6 billion United States dollars. Company earnings and investor returns have been trending downwards for past 5 years. AXCELIS announces successful qualification of PURIONXE Max for production. AtriCure to announce third quarter 2022 financial results. Customers Bancorp, Inc. to host third quarter earnings webcast on October 27, 2022. Elanco confirms date and conference call for third quarter 2022 financial results announcement. Enphase Energy announces conference call to review third quarter 2022 financial results Tuesday, October 25, 2022 at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Franklin Electric schedules its third quarter 2022 earnings release and conference call. Home Bancorp, Inc. to report third quarter financial results on October 18, 2022. Insight to report third quarter financial results. Nova to announce third quarter 2022 financial results on November 3. Cisco announces record preliminary Q3 2022 deliveries, revenues and cash margin. Par Pacific announces third quarter 2022 earnings release and conference call schedule. PROS Holdings, Inc. announces date of third quarter 2022 financial results release, conference call, and webcast. Smile Direct Club to report third quarter 2022 results on November 7, 2022. Select Medical Holdings Corporation to announce third quarter 2022 results on Thursday, November 3, 2022. STEM announces third quarter 2022 earnings results conference call. Take-Two Interactive Software, Inc. to report second quarter fiscal year 2023 results on Monday, November 7, 2022. Magnolia Oil and Gas, NYSE, MGY, 22% YoY earnings expansion surpassed the shareholder returns over the past 5 years. Dollar Tree and Family Dollar to host nationwide hiring event on October 19. Newmont announces third quarter 2022 earnings call. The Howard Hughes Corporation announces dates and times for third quarter 2022 earnings release and conference call. Trading, higher rates to aid BofA, back, Q3 earnings, IB to Hertz. Akamai Technologies to hold third quarter 2022 investor conference call on Tuesday, November 8, at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Silicon Labs announces third quarter 2022 earnings webcast. Pfizer Inc.'s NYSE, PFE, share price is matching sentiment around its earnings. Cellebrite to release third quarter 2022 financial results on November 17, 2022. GXO to host 2023 Investor Day. Hamilton Lane Incorporated to announce second quarter fiscal 2023 results on November 1, 2022. Nullagene Gold production update. Fortress Transportation and Infrastructure Investors LLC announces timing of third quarter earnings and conference call. Pentair to release third quarter 2022 earnings and host investor conference call on October 25. Stock market news live updates. Stock futures fall, yields rise as earnings creep up. Sitio Royalties schedules third quarter 2022 earnings call. Air Lease Corporation activity update for the third quarter of 2022. AS Inc. announces fiscal year 2023 second quarter results. Lion Electric announces third quarter 2022 results release date. Trane Technologies schedules third quarter 2022 earnings conference call. Orthofix announces preliminary third quarter and year-to-date 2022 net sales results. Indus announces 2022 third quarter leasing, pipeline and corporate updates. Gran Tierra Energy Inc. provides operational and financial updates. Indus announces 2022 third quarter earnings call. Sensata Technologies to release third quarter 2022 financial results on October 25, 2022. Signature Bank to host 2022 third quarter results conference call. Himax Technologies, Inc. schedules third quarter 2022 financial results conference call on Thursday, November 10 at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. ASE Technology Holding Company, Limited, announces monthly net revenues. Walgreens earnings preview. Can WBA stock rebound? Paymentus to report third quarter 2022 earnings results and host webcast on November 9, 2022. Dorman Products, Inc. announces date to report third quarter 2022 financial results. Banco Santander Mexico will report 3Q22 results after market close on October 27, 2022. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.